We Care for Kids is a charitable CSR program that creates immediate, tangible results while boosting employee morale through the building and donation of memorable items for children in need. During this heartwarming event, our teams can assemble camp packs, stuffed animals, rocking horses, wagons, bikes, or other items of your choice. If you want to make a difference in the life of a child, We Care for Kids is an event your group will never forget. Camp packs are backpacks that your team will fill with school supplies, toys, and toiletries to be donated to children in hospitals, shelters, or crisis centers. It can also include a personalized note of encouragement to the child receiving the camp pack. At the Animal Snuggle Station, your teams will stuff and decorate teddy bears and other stuffed animals to be delivered to crisis centers and law enforcement agencies for children who have experienced trauma. Rocking horses and wagons can also be built and decorated for local crisis centers, hospitals, or schools. Another customizable option is our bike build donation, a high-energy team building experience in which bikes are assembled, decorated, and donated to children in the local area. For many of these children, this will be their first bicycle. Finally, your team can reach out to hundreds of children by building rocking chairs and reading benches that will be donated to local schools, libraries, and child care centers. The possibilities with our We Care for Kids program are endless, but the outcome is always the same: a group of happy children and a proud team of employees.